Hi all of you on YouTube, Tom here. And what I wanted to do tonight was sort of an update because this Piper that I have over here, I've had a YouTube regarding running the engine on it, and I didn't quite make that YouTube quite long enough, and it didn't tell you the whole story because it didn't run quite well. But I got to redo that so you can actually hear the thing run because it's good. It's a good engine. I've got a few things on that plane itself to sort of tuck up a little bit. It's only going to be on the ground, I'm not going to take it up in the air just yet. But I do want to get that engine running well and for a longer time that I did. Get a whole tank run through it. Now besides that, I figured if I'm waiting for parts or whatever or time to get that fixed, I was going to work on the radio gear over here. And I had a radio set in there, servos and everything. I had that for years because I built this Piper, as a retirement tool. It was going to be my retirement gift to myself. The Cub being an easy plane to fly and everything, I figured it'd be great. But with the problem with the internals, the servo system and everything, I started revisiting all that and found out that the radio in it was okay when I put it in. I double checked that years ago, but now it's just not worth a hoot. It really doesn't even. I mean, the radio inside the plane itself, that turns on. The indicator light on it says it's on. Does it do anything? No, doesn't do anything at all. So, then I went back and I checked the, sort of wiring in that, and I really couldn't find any, decisive place, to start or stop. And I just ended up, turning it all in. And just realizing that it was just no good. Either it was junk when I got it, or it's turned into junk somehow on the move down here. I can't say. But I want to get rid of that, that problem right there. I don't need that. In place of that, Airtronics made a great radio set, and I grabbed that a few years ago too. This Airtronics right here, that particular radio set there, was originally intended for my P-51 RC plane. That too I built, I have intentions to finish it up in my retirement days and fly that. But flying that is it's a good couple years away. So without needing that, I pulled all the any kind of needed radio gear away from that and devoted it to my little Piper over here. And I believe that it should be a better situation because I know that radio does work well. I'll get that done and give it a radio test and everything. Once I give it a radio test and there's an okay thumbs up and everything, I'll get everything buttoned back up, electronically in there. And then over the next week, I'll be outside concentrating on the engine. Cutting on an engine, and I want to get it outside, get another YouTube going with that thing actually running, 100% running. Give you about a few minutes or so watching that to see that it is a good engine. So keep tuned. Like I said, I don't know, another week or so, I think. Get some parts together and get that running well. And then I'll revisit YouTube again with that. Okay? So all of you take care, and see you next video. Thank you.